Morning, I'm Dr. Saida. This is Thriving During Challenges, day 3. So exciting. So if you haven't seen day 1 or 2, those are grounding practices. And if you're feeling stressed or a little worried or not quite in your center, definitely watch those 2 practices and do either or both. Today, though, I wanted to work with our spine and our breath, because if we can regulate and unwind the spine, we start to shift from a stress response into a pleasure response. So this is the first of the pleasure practices that we're going to be doing together. It's very easy, and I need you to listen to your body and make sure that you're moving in a way that feels really good to your body. So if you're ready, we're going to get on our hands and knees. I'm going to just tilt this down so you can see me. So we're going to get on our hands and knees. And first thing we're going to do is press up with the back and pull in the belly. And then I want you just simply to do some arching. So you're going to arch and you're going to go all the way up and inhale. And then you're going to press your hands into the floor and pull your tummy towards your spine and arch, 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 arch like a cat. And we're just going to do a few of those to start. And you're going to inhale, breathe in as you come up. Exhale, big full breath out. Do 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now what I want you to do, I'm going to turn this way so you can see a little better, is you're going to just circle your head, taking nice, full, deep breaths. Circling the head. Keep your navel pulled in towards your spine, but make full circles, releasing your neck, releasing your jaw. Take nice, slow, full breaths. Nice and slow. Other way. Again, think of a cat just enjoying slow, luxurious movement. And coordinate your breath. And basically we're telling our body that it's time to rest, digest, relax. And when we do that, we bring our pleasure pathways online. Okay, so the second part of the circles is we're going to do it with the whole spine. So I think I have to turn this way so you can see it. So the head, we won't move it just yet. Just want you to move your spine in a circle. And I'll turn sideways so you can see that as well. So the spine now is moving in a circle, but not your head. Just the spine circling. Nice full circles with your spine. Taking full breaths in one direction only. Just really feel like you're luxuriating, opening, releasing. Full breaths. Other way. Good. Then we're going to add the head. So not only are you circling your spine, but you're also going to move your head. This will feel really funny, but it's amazing. And just breathe and see if you can move your head and your spine. Nice full breaths. Releasing the tension in your spine. Any holding patterns getting unwound, try the other way. Releasing your head and your spine. Breathing. Having some fun. Making sounds. The sounds are good. You tell the vagus system that we're wanting to relax. Very good. Relax your arms for a moment. Give them a little shake. Excellent. And then the last part of the practice is now sitting. You can do this in a chair. I love you too. Sitting in a chair or on the floor, and you're just going to move that spine again in a nice big circle, relaxing the breath. And this time, I want you to be aware of your pelvic floor as you're moving your spine like this with your sitting bones anchored into the ground or the chair. Other way. Just letting that spine circle. Let your neck also be soft. Your jaw soft. Taking a moment to relax, coming back to a seated position with a light little wave. And let's do 3 full breaths with the sigh together, breathing in. Rub your hands, open your eyes, just lightly brush down your face and your neck, chest, arms, and legs. All right, everybody. Have an amazing day. That's my alarm. I have another call, but I love you so much. And keep doing this anytime during the day. Just really free your mind, free your body. And we'll be back tomorrow. Talk soon. Bye.